cooking homemade spaghetti and meatballs. I'm ready. My beard is ready. Are you ready? Let's cook.
To make our meatballs, we need 1 egg, 1 pound of ground pork, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese, couple garlic cloves, 1/3 of breadcrumbs, and half a bunch of parsley. Now it's time to put everything together. Please wash your hands before you do this. To get the same size meatballs, I got an ice cream scooper. They work great. I got 13 meatballs. So now we're making our tomato sauce, and I chopped up some garlic, some basil, and half an onion. So this is what we need for our tomato sauce. 1 can of tomato, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, a couple garlic cloves, paprika, that basil we were chopping up, that half an onion, tomato paste, and half a teaspoon of pepper. This is the Ninja non-stick pan. They work great. Just put your meatballs in there and just cook them like you would cook a hamburger. While the meatballs are cooking, I'm going to start with the spaghetti. You only want to cook your meatballs halfway through on the pan. Just give it some color. For our tomato sauce, you want to start with the onions. Put a little olive oil on your pan. Then you add your garlic. Then you add your tomato sauce. Same tomato can, you fill it up with water. Add your 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, paprika. Add your basil, your kosher salt, and your crushed pepper. Stir it up, let it simmer, then you add your meatballs. This is why you only half cook on the pan so you can fully cook with the tomato sauce. Since we're cooking pork, you always want to make sure the temperature is right and everything looks good. We're ready to serve. And now it's time for my favorite part. Oh my God, it was so good. I also added a little bit of Cabernet wine into the sauce. That gives it an extra kick. Add a little parsley and some Parmesan grated cheese. That cheese grater is the same one Olive Garden uses. It's awesome. You can get them on Amazon. And the best part is spending quality time with family for under $30. 6 people ate and had a great time. Enjoy life. Life is too short. Help others. and take care.